My name is Alyson Angotti. I'm the Group Product Manager for Elkay Filtration. And today we're going to walk through our new residential products that we're very excited about. So the category starts with our filter. All of our residential products come standard with our 71300C filter. What's amazing about this filter is that it's small but mighty. It features the reduction of the two leading contaminants in PFAS, PFOA and PFOS. Also lead, microplastics, class 1 particulates, cysts, and more. This filter is 12 inches, which is very small for others on the market, with 2,200 gallons and 12 months as the lifespan of the filter. Okay? So wonderful product that fits perfectly under counter. We recommend a few different products that come with this filter. The first is our universal filter kit, which you see right here. This product is recommended to be paired with a beverage faucet. It can also work with a kitchen faucet. We recommend a beverage faucet because of the flow rate. The filter flow rate is 1.1 GPM, which works perfectly on a side filler. We also have our kitchen faucet, which the filter comes standard with. This kitchen faucet is our Avado 3-in-1 faucet. It comes in matte black, chrome, and brushed nickel, or lustrous steel is what we refer to it as. You can see you receive full flow in 2 different settings, in a pull down, okay? But if you want filtered drinking water, you simply turn the handle like this, and there you have your fresh filtered drinking water. So you're using the filter when you want it and only when you want it. You're not washing dishes with filtered water and wasting the filter. You're able to adjust the handle perfectly to your needs.